Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna take a look at free Hot Wheels today. They're all Ford. So first, we got two Ford Carreras right here. They're both from Retro Racers. One is black, one is blue. Next, we got this Ford van, 1956 Ford F-100. First one we're gonna open is the Ford. Okay, let's open the van. Let's take a look. It is from Hot Wheels Metro Series, 8th car in the series. Look how big this car is. Man, there's a bunch of like bugs outside making noises. Wow, this van is pretty big and it feels kind of cool to hold. So guys, let's put it on here and take a better look at this thing. So guys, if we take a look at this car, it's got a very nice like clean cherry red with some cool little black stripes going around the engine. You can see the engine and the interior is chrome and the engine just popping out of the hood. It also says Hot Wheels Body Shop. It's like some sort of company. It says Moon Eyes on the side. You can see it has some back doors. Maybe we can go inside. I don't think we can look inside, but still we do got some gray rims, which I think this van looks pretty cool. It's kind of like a hot rod van. It's pretty nice. It also has like nice chrome. Take a look at that chrome in there. The body shape of this car looks pretty nice. There's no headlight tampos. That kind of sucks, but still a pretty cool car. I like the chrome on it. Alright, let's take a look at the next car. Take this off. Next, we're going to take a look at the 1987 Ford Carrera Cosworth. It is from Hot Wheels Metro Series, the first car in the series, and really, this has got to happen. Open up, please. Oh, I hate this. Like, this is triggering me. We got it. Moving on the side. Here's the Ford Carrera. Ooh, it looks nice. Let's take a look at that. Whoa, look at that black. That black is really shiny. So, alright guys, let's take a look at this car. Focus. There we go. It's got a very nice pearl kind of black. It says Mattel on there with the Mattel logo. Has number 11, the Hot Wheels logo. This car looks pretty cool. Kind of reminds me of a Mustang, kind of. You can see this back spoiler, and in the back we have like two seats there. The windshield is actually pretty clear. It has the Ford Tampo, no back headlights, but still has some pretty nice chrome wheels. Hot Wheels on the side, some sponsorships, and a number 11. Hot Wheels on top of it, which I think this car is like pretty nice. Look at that though. It's pretty cool. Next car we're going to take a look at is the same exact car but in blue. Same series. So let's pop it open. If I take a look at this car, it's basically the same exact car but just in blue. There's nothing really too special about it. It does have a very nice kind of pearlish ocean blue. Kind of like royal blue. It's really sparkly. It also has some orange things on it too. Instead of it all just being red, it is all orange and blue, which is pretty nice. Mattel logo on there. And oh, it also has some see-through headlights, which I didn't even notice on the other one. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So let's get the cars. The Ford Carreras. Boom. Clear all of this. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. I play Roblox on there. If you just want to check it out, it's your decision. But anyways guys, I hope you liked the video. Press like, maybe subscribe. So yeah, bye. Oh, you're still here. You're expecting something special, but nope. Bye.